So welcome to Kalinago again. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are about to visit one two waterfalls. We're exploring Dominica. Back to we did Scott's Head and Bubble Beach. You see the view and stuff. Now today we're going to visit a waterfall, and maybe we might do 1, 2, or 3. So come along with me on the journey. Already we just arrived to Jacko Falls. See, my first time I came here to the waterfalls and stuff, so I come to. There are some nice stuff here. You have to pay $10 a head to visit here. I just arrived to the spot, you know what I'm saying? So we're in Jacko Falls. Looking nice so far. Nice entry. We're going down a little trail. Looking nice, eh? Jacko Falls, for you man! For you man, exploring Jacko Falls, yeah, navigating around, but it's still looking good, boy. Yeah, Jacko Falls looking nice. For you man. Don't forget guys, if you like this content, like, share and subscribe to Jacko. Good vibe. I know I don't think people do. Cold! What I want from cold. Oh, you're having a pretty there too, right? Woo! Welcome to Jacko Falls! That is it! You know why? But that's cool. That's good. No, boy, that's Why you mad? Why Freddy? Why?
going under that? You're looking rough down there. But I sprayed him, I just I scared. I sprayed to go in that way. When I dive, that water, oh, you know what? Why? I take it down. I take it down. When you hit, huh? When you hit, you're good. When you just come in it. That's it, boy. Right, just come on there. So like an ice bath, like a nice ice bath. Woo! Why you sure say ice bath to take in the boy? Oh, you mad? What the vibe was that? Woo! Oh, you mad? Jacko Falls. That is a nice experience. I enjoy the vibe. I remember when I trained in football and you have to do ice training, going in a drum of ice. Oh, you mad? Just for that food, you know. Oh, you mad? Huh? I'm good, bro. I'm good. Yeah. You guys have shot down the go. There you go, be there. Yay! You have a front flip then. A front flip. There you go. Are you alive? That is the Darwin Lopez. Boy, it don't come out good now. Take it one more time. Ya, mari, bye. You may like that. You like that, you know? You like that? It's so nice. Let's go again. Let's go again. Let's go. What's the camera? What's the camera? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Alright. We gotta go now. Yeah guys, that was a great experience. Yeah, that was my first well, not really my first waterfall. I've been through Jacko falls before. That was when I was like a little boy. But that experience was great, you know. And my first time baby in a waterfalls, I ain't gonna lie. To be honest, yeah. Yeah man, I enjoyed the experience. You know, I enjoyed the experience. Yeah. Well, that was cool. Yeah. Yeah guys, that was it. See my eyes ready boy, and also what you mad. It was shit up. Yeah, I really enjoyed it. So we're gonna head somewhere else. You enjoy the docking? You want to try it again? But I didn't want it to stop docking. Jacko Falls. We're in the Kalinago territory. We're in Salibia, and so we are about to see the crayfish. I think it's the crayfish, something like that. Yeah. But your speed. Oh, you're custom. You're custom up there. Yeah man, there you always coming.
Oh, the way you run in never that there, you don't see them already. So the crayfish.
Boy, I don't see them. Girl alone, I can tell us how to view them. I see no crayfish here. No damn crayfish. Small one. You see any crayfish, Tinyo? Okay. See? Crayfish. Do you see it? Screen protector.
You have one home. Today you send you with you, and you put one.
But Ali.
You don't mesh up properly that, but that's why I don't rush to them put the other one next time they don't mash up without nothing.
I try to see some crayfish. I see a little one, and then but I might take out the camera that when I start to see some bigger ones, but I might coming closer, boom, they don't go and hide. But you know, Eddie, if you wanna come see some crayfish, just come to Kalinago territory, Salibia. Yeah, that's where we are. That is it. Boom. And also, we're going to the escalier. We're in Siniku. So I think they have a history about a tetchin. I wonder if it's that side, the tetchin B-boy. I think they used to have a history about a tetchin, like a big long snake. Puppy, you want to bite me, man? Nice take with you. From Siniku. We tore in. You check, we tore in. I saying the word wrong. Les Cali Tetchien. Yeah. So you can see what this scene be. A long walking, man. First time going there, man. What? I thought you go there already. Yeah. Where you from?
You see that nonsense?
Oh, you find it nice?
The wind breeze.
Yeah, that's some nice breeze. See? Nice cool breeze. Tinyo, taking a walk? You
Gonna have to sign or something.
You never been there,
So long
but they're looking nice. But see the view there. Wow. Come here and pose it. Yeah, nice little view. Eh? If you wanna know where that is, we're in Kalinago territory. This is Les Cali Tetchien in Siniku. If you time more, eh? Tired already?
I don't walk a long walk. My whole life.
You just start walking.
How long I don't walk?
You're on feet.
1 feet.
Look at she feet. She doubting herself. No, she have hand in waist already. You're mad. Yeah, it's all in. We're enjoying ourselves. Yeah, we're enjoying ourselves. They should have, there's no sign. I don't know if I say the name of the place correct. I'm not seeing this sign. Run. Boy! That's if you're looking deadly, not bad. Boy. They should have a sign there to read. Let's call it Tetchien. But why they don't put a sign there to read?
You going down there? Oh, you. Yo, what the hell are you doing? Let's call it texture in Kalinago territory. That is it. This snake? That? Eh? They call it, let's call it texture. Boy, it's looking scary, you know. Boy, the area, they looking scary, you know. See them, man, boy. Now they calling it texture, you know. You see the design like a texture? That, from that. Watch it, a snake, yeah.
So this is a big factory.
Yeah, I was asking if there's a sign, but there's no sign to read about this trail. But my woman told me the other sign, but look like maybe it gone away. Yeah. Oh, you're tired, boy. But nice views here in Dominica. Dominica, plenty places with deadly view. Now, so I sweating, but look at what I do. And I'm sweating and tired. Much as far to do. Boiling lake, 3 hours, 4 hours hiking. I'm mad. That is it.